Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa min tabi'ahum bi ihsani ila yawmiddin. Alright, so this is going to be a quick video answering a question that I received from my last video that I made a long time ago from this user. And she asked, basically, she is asking how, when you're using, like, the Arabic RTL InDesign, and within the Arabic, maybe within the Arabic text that you're writing and you want to write English, how to make sure that the English is going from left to right and not maintain that right to left that you already set up. All right, so what I'm going to do is I will replicate, because I have the RTL. So let me first of all hide this comment. So I'm going to go to layers here. Let's hide this, and we're going to make so I'm going to hide this, and I added some text here. I added an ayah from the Quran, and the ayah number, I made it in English, but as you can see, the ayah number is incorrect because it's supposed to be 143, but it's showing it reversed it. So let's look at the text. So the text itself, you see, is automatic. I made it into Adobe Naskh for the font, and then when I came here, I highlighted the number and I made it into area black, so it can show, like, Arabic, just English looking numbers. Now, what is the problem? Why is it showing me the numbers reversed? Well, everything, of course, I will assume that it's because it's Arabic. Everything is set up in Arabic style, right to left, but that's not the issue, actually. Because even if I was to switch, for example, left to right, that's just paragraph. I'm just messing with the paragraph. I'm not messing with the whole text itself, the direction of the characters. Even if I was to choose the number and come and said, okay, I want it into English, it will still not change anything. So that's not the issue. The issue here is one thing, which is the character direction. And to find the character direction, first, I'm just pay attention that just keep in mind that I'm on Essentials Classic, where I have the character, character and paragraph information. There I have the menu, and under the setting options, you have the menu here. When you open the menu, you will see the character direction. So you see that the character direction is right to left. It's right to left. Now, because it's right to left, if I was to say left to right or default, which is the best, if you say default, Adobe will detect for you. It will detect how the numbers, it knows that the number, this is how it's supposed to be. If that doesn't work, you can do left to right. But now you see the number is working. Now it's back to its normal. So how did I do that? Come here, go to character direction, and set it to default or left to right. Just for that section. All these other sections, you will notice, if I come inside of here, the paragraph itself, and I come to character direction, you see it's right to left. But when it comes to the numbers, the number itself, I made sure to set it to default, so Adobe knows how to correctly make the numbers, or if that didn't work, left to right. All right, so to make sure that this is, every time that you come to numbers that you will not have this issue, you can make it a character style. And here it says, let me make it back to default. So back to default is like, this is normally how it will be, 143. But I want to make this English. Then if I come and choose English, of course, then you can choose, what font you want and all of that. But it's supposed to be all right from now on, because we set the character style. So remember, the problem, the issue is just the character direction. Just check the character direction and make sure it is default or left to right, depending on the version of InDesign you're using. All right, that is it.